Hey, what's up? I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Daily Goodie Box for December. I have their link in the description box for their website and their Facebook. The best way to get your chances increased for getting a box is by leaving comments whenever they post, and hopefully you will win one. And also go on their website and fill out their profile and keep up with your surveys. So to get started, I am going to first talk about this chocolate bar. So this is the Frey Swiss Premium Chocolate. It is the #1 chocolate in Switzerland, according to the brand. And it is dark crunchy nut. It has hazelnuts. I absolutely love hazelnut, and I'm actually becoming more fond of dark chocolate. So that's a good thing. And I like the fact that it's a pretty simple ingredient list. It has butterfat from milk and soy lecithin, but it doesn't have any artificial flavors. So good for them, and for me too, because I can eat it. Yeah, so chocolate, also GMO free, and was made in Switzerland. So we have a few food items. So another item that I got that is chocolate is the organic Ocho coconut bar. I got it in the flavor coconut. They do have a few other flavors. I was always really attracted by the rainbow coloring that this packaging has. And I haven't gotten a chance to try this because I haven't seen it in stores, but I've been really wanting to try it. So moving on to the next item, I got this KiZE peanut butter 4-ingredient bar. It is a raw energy bar. It says that it changes lives. Each bar helps those in need. So it is made with a simple ingredient list of peanut butter, honey, gluten-free oats, and grass-fed whey protein isolate. So compared to other bars that I've seen with whey protein, this one's actually has no added sodium, and it has no added extra sugar except for the natural honey. And I like the fact that it's grass-fed. For extra deliciousness, try cold. So that's an interesting advice. I'll try. Actually, this is pretty hard, even though it's not in the fridge. So this might be pretty difficult to chew. I might actually warm this up. And you are loved. I like that it says that next to the date. It says you are loved. That's cute. All your KiZE support directly impacts global missions serving those in need. So if you go to the website, you can check out your impact. This is Sprig CBD-Infused sparkling lemon tea. So CBD is really becoming a new thing. So this one is a tea that doesn't have any added sugars except for erythritol, and it has black tea in it, so it might have a little bit of caffeine boost. And then it has 20 milligrams of natural hemp CBD, which is cannabidiol. Yeah, so cannabidiol, which is non-psychoactive hemp. Super nice, bright, cute packaging. This is Herbal's Party Detox Support. So this has ingredients that basically you can use anytime if you're feeling a little bit low. It just has nice properties. So it has ginger, coriander, amla, black pepper, turmeric, and key lime. It's vegan, kosher, gluten-free, and you just add this to some water or tea or juice, and you get some good nutrients. Is hyaluronic acid plus vitamin D3, so it is a gummy, and the #1 awesome thing about this is that there's no gelatin, so I can actually eat these. And the sugar content is 1.66 grams for one gummy, and you get 250% of your daily vitamin D. And the ingredient list is not that bad. So awesome. Oh, and I actually did try it. I forgot to mention I tried it, and it didn't have too much. It didn't have like that gross Robitussin cherry flavor that is just disgusting. I don't like cherry flavor, so that one wasn't that bad. It was like cherry berry. Yeah, could taste better, but also not that bad. Okay, so then I got this one. This is the bar soap by the Grandpa Soap Co. or company. So this is Thylox Acne Treatment. Hardworking, simple, pure ingredients. Indeed, these are pure ingredients, and they believe in using pure ingredients for their soap making. And it is 3% sulfur. Sulfur is good for inflamed and irritated skin. I tried their shampoo and their conditioner from the other Daily Goodie Box, and I like that. So I am expecting to like this as well. Very nice looking soap bar. I don't smell anything, but I'm expecting this to be nice and refreshing. Okay, so then second to last item is the original makeup eraser sample. So this is basically like a little towelette, which is more effective than using your fingers. It helps to exfoliate it out. And I saw this on Instagram as well, so now I have 2 samples because I wasn't expecting to get it in this box. So this is cute, and it's supposed to last 3 to 5 years with about 1,000 washes in the machine washing. And the last item that I got is this Alcala Deodorizing body wipe. So this is eco-friendly, a bamboo product made with viscose, made with 100% pure bamboo, and it is enriched with aloe, chamomile, green tea, and tea tree oil. And these will be interesting to try when camping and stuff like that. Okay, so that's everything, and then as usual, they leave little coupons in the box. And that is everything I got for December. You can check out the description box for all the product links, as well as links to the websites. And I will talk to you in another video, hopefully. Bye!